Pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing.
Hi friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Karunji Josephine and I'm so glad to have you here. If this is your first time, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. In today's video, I'd like to share with you a Ugandan weekly meal plan. What we ate from Monday to Sunday, and then if you are interested in having a physical meal plan that you can maybe pin in your kitchen or maybe on your fridges so that you can be following, if you are the person that is interested in Ugandan meals, well, I went down and created that. The weekly package is going to be at only $10, and then the monthly package is going to be at $20. Yeah, this meal plan actually comes with tips to help you navigate the stress that comes with meal planning, and then also it comes with a shopping list that you will need for that particular package, maybe a weekly or actually a monthly package that you might be interested in. So for this video, we are only sharing the meals that we had from breakfast, lunch, and dinner to snacks and drinks. Yeah, so let's go into the video. On Monday morning, we had black tea for breakfast with some samosas, fried eggs, and then also some oranges. I added some little oranges to add a vitamin C to our breakfast meal, and yeah, that is how it turned out. Samosas are for peas. They have peas in them inside. Yeah, and then for lunchtime, Monday lunch, we had sweet potatoes, but this time round, these were steamed sweet potatoes. We love steamed sweet potatoes in this house. So this is how they looked like. Yeah. So we had them with avocado and then some beans. I always batch cook my beans. If you've been here, you always hear me talking about batch cooking beans if you can. Yeah. So we had it with avocado, and also this is how it turned out. That is a time lapse of me eating. So for dinner, we also had some Irish. As you can see it, hubby helped me on this day. I am always happy whenever he comes to the kitchen to help me. So that day he came to help me. We had fried sweet potatoes, add some spaghetti with it, and then some beans on the sides because I had them as leftovers, so we don't waste food. We had to put it on the side. Then on Tuesday, we had millet porridge. This is how it looks like for breakfast, and then with fried eggs and bread. Yeah, so this is how it also turned out. And then for lunch, we had matoke with peanuts. So it was a katogo, and this is how it turned out. I won't be sharing all the recipes. I have shared them already on this channel, so here I'm just taking you through what we had. For dinner, we had rice, that which you can see. We had fried rice. I also shared a recipe of how I cooked this rice. So we had it with avocado on the sides, and then eggs on the sides as well to add protein to my meal. So this time around, we also had it with juice, as you can see, and dinner was done. On Wednesday, for breakfast, we had different things. I had cassava, and then my husband had the katogo of peanuts with some eggs on the sides. The little girl had a samosa, that one, and then with the cup of tea, as you can see. That is what we had for breakfast. And then for lunch, we had rice and then beans on the sides. So this is how it turned out. This is a time lapse of me eating the food. We love beans and rice in this house. So for dinner, we had again our beans This is before I cooked them, and we had it with posho. Now here is when they are ready. Look at that, guys. We had them with ugali, and this is how it also turned out. I shared a video of how I cooked these beans. Please go and check it out. On Thursday we had bread and eggs with some samosas, and then we had it with this porridge. This is millet porridge mixed with some milk. Yeah. And then for lunch we had matoke katogo with some Irish, and then with greens on the sides. Yeah, so this is how it turned out as well. Then for dinner we had cassava. I usually steam our cassava and sweet potatoes and matoke. Determines how we want it, but this very day we wanted steamed cassava. We ate it with some beef on the sides and then greens on the sides as well. And this is how it turned out. We had it with some tea. And then on Friday, I cooked a Rolex. Now, a Rolex is a Ugandan delicacy where we roll up eggs, that is an omelette, with chapats. So this is how I made it. I just added in our eggs, I just added in tomatoes, onions, and then some little garlic, fried the eggs, and then rolled it up with some tomatoes, as you can see, and the Rolex was done. We had it with some bananas and then juice on the sides. Yeah, this is how our Friday breakfast looked like. Super yummy. And then for lunch, we had meat with spaghetti and then some avocados on the sides. Here, these are my little babies' plates. That is why they are this small. So yeah, that is how it turned out. And then for dinner we had meat again. It was still around. We had meat with some rice. So again, these are my baby's plates. The two boys who eat. The little one has not yet started eating. She's just breastfeeding and then drinking some little. So this was my plate. I had this food with some tea because it was very cold outside. So on Saturday breakfast we had samosas, these beautiful samosas with black tea. And then for lunch we had peanut butter with meat in it, with sweet potatoes, rice, matoke, cassava on the sides, and posho, all this steamed. So this is Ugandan food. Then for dinner we had Irish and matoke katogo still, then with avocado on the sides. So this is how it looked like. These two plates are for my two boys. Yeah, because the little baby hasn't started eating hard food. Then on a Sunday we had chikomando. Yeah, so chikomando is a word in Uganda used to describe a street food. So this is usually a street food. You cut the chapatis and then put beans on them. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing exactly. I haven't shared a recipe for this, so here you go. And this is how it turned out. We had it with milk tea. Yeah, we love chikomando. Yeah, that is how it is looking like. Super yummy. And then for lunch we had steamed matoke. We had it with meat. This is my husband's favorite food. Yeah, so we had it with some avocado on the side as well. And yeah, this is how the whole thing turned out. That meat tasted amazing, and this was for my boys. So for dinner we had the same meat again because it was still around. We had it with rice. I just cooked rice and dinner was ready. So basically that is what we ate for the whole week. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. And if you're interested in buying our meal plan, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be replying to you and sending it right to you.